Hello guys, here I am again, Kenny. The guy is buying truck now. So all duty is painted the truck frame. I'm gonna show you guys when you buy a truck or you have a truck, you have a problem. This type of problem can be a headache, and maybe this little hack can solve the problem. I'm gonna show you what I'm. See, this is F650 box truck. So see, the truck is on now, but look at the key. I'm gonna turn it off. Wait, just one second. Look, the truck's still on. Look, won't turn off, won't turn on. Right here, you know, on the key place. What it could be, of course, can be this thing, the switch right here on the key. But the most common cause of this, it's one thing called starter solenoid starter. So it's right here. This little thing right here. So what this does, actually, get the power on the battery and have the cable in the fuse box. So when you turn the key, there's a coil inside that's supposed to connect together and turn the car on, the truck on and off. Probably this is damaged. Maybe. I check out the fuse box, I think it's this thing. So I'm gonna show you how to test this thing. Just one second. I'm gonna get my tools. And I did already turn the truck on without the key. I'm gonna show you how you guys do that. It's very important. First, because the key is not working, I'm gonna show you how to turn it off the car, the truck or car. You gotta find in your car. This is the bearing station. You open this little thing right here. Wait, oh man. Right here, you guys gonna see, I don't know, all the trucks have this, but it's gonna see two fuse box. This one and this one. So what are you looking for? And one's called Angel fuse. If you don't have the sticker on the thing, let me put my phone right here. Show you. You're gonna open the thing. Oh my gosh, sorry about that, guys, because I had to buy a camera. I don't make money YouTube yet. I don't know what. Let me see if I can do that. Yes. So you're gonna open this thing. So must be the other one is 10. The fuse is 10 amperes. I think they call 10. So this is 30. What you're gonna do? You're just gonna pull. Look. You kill that thing. You put it back. Also, see? That's it. You kill the truck. Let me just put this inside. Look at the noise now. Let me show you guys. See? They keep doing this noise. So I'm gonna check the solenoid. I'm gonna show you how to start the truck. The hack. Very quick. Let me show you. So yeah. You're gonna need a heavy duty cable. This heavy duty. Try to find one heavy duty cable like that. So I think the key is on. Let's see if it's on. Let me turn the key on. See? Nothing's going on. Now you come right here. Pay attention to this. So you come right on solenoid. Wait. Sorry guys. Right in the solenoid, and you're gonna touch both the power and I think it's, I don't know, the cables go to the fuse box. Two big ones. Look, let me show you how this thing do it. Got it? See? Keep it one of those. That's why I think this thing has a problem. So the solenoid is a problem. Because that jump start, like through the solenoid, you gotta have cable. You try that. If you switch, you turn the key, it's not working anything, you don't hear and click. Got one of those, you try that. It's gonna help a lot. And if you don't turn it off, do what like I did. Go to the battery cable over there, the battery station. Take the fuse off. All right, guys. I'm gonna change this. We're gonna see how it works. See you a little bit. Hi guys, I'm back. So it's running, but you know what? I changed the solenoid. I'm gonna show you. The new one did not work. The key is still the same problem. Like turn it on, I turn it off, don't do nothing. So probably where's the key? I don't know the name in English. I'm sorry, but probably will be where turn on, when you turn it on and off. The sweet key nearby the wheel. So that I'm gonna need a mechanic because I don't know how that works. Other than that, the truck works, everything's fine. But looks like the truck is on all the time. Don't want to turn off. So if I find something, if this helps somebody, maybe. Like I hope this video, like if it was something like easy. All right, guys. If you like, give a like, thumbs up. I'm gonna deal with this thing. See you guys later.